Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a Adrienne half granny square. So this is an extension of the Adrienne square. Whenever we make projects with Adrienne square, this half squares is going to be of great help. So similarly we can make the quarter squares too. So where, as per the need of the project. Okay. So I shall go into the video immediately, friends. To work a drain half square, let us take 8 chains and join them with a slip knot. Make it a circle by joining the first to the last with a slip knot. Now chain 1 and make 9 single crochets in the ring. Make 9 single crochets in the ring. I shall also make and get back to you. All the half squares are worked in rows and not in the round. So now to begin the next row, we chain 7, which counts as 1 DC, and chain 4. Otherwise you can make a DC in the very first single crochet here. Or standing twisted DC, chain 4, skip 1 and double crochet in the next, chain 4, skip 1, double crochet in the next. So complete this pattern, this stitch repeat till the end of this row. I shall also meet you, I shall complete and meet you at the end of the row here. So this row 1 has 4 chains and 4 DCs. Now chain 1 and turn, place a single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, one half double crochet and single crochet, all under the first chain 4 space, and place single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet in each of the 4 chains, and complete the stitch repeats, and I shall also complete and get back to you. I have placed my last stitch here, that is a single crochet. Either chain 8 and turn, or turn and make a double crochet in the very first single crochet here, chain 5, place a single crochet between the 2 double crochets of the next shell, chain 5, again place a single crochet between the 2 double crochets, chain 5, a double crochet between the 2 single crochets of the 2 shells, chain 5, single crochet between the 2 DCs of next shell, chain 5, single crochet between the 2 DCs of the next shell, chain 5, and place a DC in the first single crochet here. Either chain 3 and turn, or turn and make a double crochet in the first stitch, one more double crochet in the same stitch, 4 double crochet under chain 5 space, four double crochet in the next chain 5 space, And on the again 4 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. Now on the DC make 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochets, all in the same stitch. Now on the other side, place 4 DCs each under each of the 5 chain spaces. I shall meet you at the end of this row here. Place 2 DCs in the third chain of the turning chain, or on the DC that we made. So I made a DC, so on that particular DC I am going to make 2 double crochets. So this completes our half square and drain half square. And you can repeat these rows, 3 rows, to make it bigger or larger projects. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this small video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the new videos that we upload every day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.